Let's bring in our guest for this hour. We would like to welcome criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor John Mobley in South Carolina. And joining us in Hawaii, we have homicide detective Phil Waters. Nice to see you, gentlemen. Thank you. To you first, Mr. Mobley, when we're talking about this case, what are the challenges of prosecuting a cold case like this, one that has gone from cold case to true crime podcast to now a trial?
Well, Rob, I got to call it like I see it. I'm truly surprised that they did not charge this defendant with murder. I mean, we have seen more and more. You guys are covering these types of cases all the time, whether it's a cold case, it's a circumstantial case. Sometimes they don't even have a body, and they will charge someone with the murder, and that person will be convicted based on these circumstances. And in this case, you have a very sympathetic victim, a young teen girl. You have the dynamic of a defendant who is substantially older and bigger. You have him being the last person with the victim. You have him at the crime scene. There's clearly some evidence that he had contact with the body. You have this behavior which they are describing as suspicious. And I'm truly surprised they would not charge him with murder. I mean, I do believe that if they had charged him with murder, he would probably get convicted. I mean, while these types of cases do have challenges, I think the circumstances of the disappearance and the defendant's conduct all would be indicative of his guilt or somehow involvement in her disappearance.